Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to activate the visualizations of your profile. If you want to know how many people view your profile in the last days, the only thing you need to do is activate an option here in TikTok. And here in your feed, you need to go to the option of profile. In profile, you need to go to the superior right corner here in the left side of the bottom of these three lines. This is the button of settings and privacy. We need to put in the bottom in the side of that three lines. This is the steps, and so you pick here and you got the profile view. So you want to activate that option. The only thing you need to do is go to that button and pick in activate. I got activate the option. You need to, if you want to pick here in the settings of that option, you can deactivate or activate profile view stories in this switch. So this is an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.